Quiz 2, question 47. F of x is square root of x after translation 21 units to the right and reflection in the x-axis. So order is important. First, it is shifted 21 units to the right. So there will be square root of x minus 1. And reflecting in the x-axis, around x-axis, we should put negative sign in front of the function. So root of x minus 1, root of x minus 21, and we are going to put minus in front. Answer is B. Question 48. Two functions are given. To get function g, which transformation is necessary? From f to g, what happened? There's a reflection about x, and then reflection about y, and then one unit to the left. These are the order of transformation: reflection about x, reflection about y, then one unit to the left. The first one is reflection, then 3 units up. It is not possible, and it is after 1 unit right if x is positive, after 1 unit right reflection. C or D, there is minus in front of x. If there is minus in front of x, take minus as a common factor. Minus in front of x, minus in front of f, both of them are changing. So there is reflection about x, reflection about y. In general, there is reflection about origin. And then this number will be used as a logic of horizontal shift. There is a shift 1 unit to the left. Reflection about x, then reflection about y, and then shift 1 unit to the left. Answer is C. In the D, there is reflection about y, then 1 unit to the right. Or if you don't want to be busy with transformation, if you have problem about understanding transformation, any point on your graph can help you. You can use any point. For example, I prefer x is equal to -1. This logic works really. Sometimes you can be between two choices. You may choose one more point. So f of -1 according to given graph, f of -1 is 2, and g of, you should use same number for both, g of -1 is -1. So you are going to replace in each function, I mean in each choice, g of -1, g of -1, is it equal to, we know what is the coordinate of g of -1. Is it going to be, from this calculation, negative f of -1, -3, this is going to give us -5. And B, if you write -1 in your g function, the operation f of -2 is going to be -3. If you write -1 in the g function and f function, it will be f of -f(0), which is -1. If you write -1 in the last, g of -1 is f of 2, which is 1. Do you see? Without using the logic of any transformation, you may also choose any point, any x, but you have to use for both functions. You know what should be the coordinate of g, and you are going to try each choices. Which choice is going to give you -1? It is going to be answer. Answer is C for this question. 49. X squared is our parent function. So which transformation is done to get 10 minus x squared? 10 minus x squared can be written minus x squared plus 10. So order is, first reflection is done, then there is a shift 10 units up. So reflection in the x-axis followed by later the vertical shift is coming 10 units upward, means up. So answer is B in this question. The last question is, there is a point 6,1 on the graph of f. Which of the following is a point on the graph of G is equal to f of 3x? Whenever you see a number in front of x, the given coordinate y is not changing, you are going to equalize given coordinate x coordinate to the 3x, so operation is going to be 2, so the new point is 2, 1. Or the number in front of x inside of parentheses is a horizontal stretch or compression. The number in front of x, you are going to take the reciprocal, so there is a stretch, horizontal stretch by the factor of 1 over 3. What is the meaning? Don't touch the y coordinate, and the x coordinate that you have times 1 over 3 is going to be the operation, so 2, 1 is going to be the new coordinate. Answer of question 60 is D.